Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the under cabinet lights, a versatile lighting solution perfect for your home. These lights come with an upgraded motion sensor mode that automatically turns on when it detects motion within 120 degrees and 10 feet in low light conditions, making it safer and more convenient to navigate your space in the dark. You can also set them to always on mode, which is great for tasks like reading or camping, and they double as a handy flashlight. Powered by a 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery, these lights can last up to 7 to 30 days on motion sensor mode or 8 hours on always on mode at full brightness, and they recharge easily with a USB-C cable. The 63 LED lights are dimmable with 5 brightness levels, allowing you to customize the lighting for any situation, whether it's meal prep or a gentle night light. Installation is a breeze with built-in magnets that attach to any iron surface, or you can use the adhesive metal plates to place them anywhere you need. These lights are perfect for kitchens, closets, pantries, basements, and more, offering a flexible and efficient lighting solution for any room in your home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.